All across Newport News Public Schools, students and staff wore bright orange to celebrate Unity Day in October. Orange is the color of Unity Day, sending a bright message that building community through kindness, acceptance, and inclusion helps prevent bullying. At my school, Riverside Elementary, we celebrated with our 10th annual Unity Day parade. The super talented kids in the Boomin' Bears drumline led the parade around the school and were straight fire, holding banners and positive messages. Students and staff paraded together in support of the power of kindness. Our safety patrol did an amazing job cheering on every class, showing what it truly means to be kind to everyone. Just another great example of the wonderful learning environment we're creating at Riverside.